but to a challenge. So I saw your bapa. One day one more meeting. No ultimatum. Mechinatum.
Hopeson Adorye, we Jimmy for. Hopeson Adorye, mini one. Hopeson Adorye, oh my check.
A teacher be an providence say Hopeson Adorye. Our concern with $1 my semi and Fiona Agradaa and some Hopeson Edan number 2 ever share opinion on that. Oh no kind of between them say Agradaa be for. Wa be hu say oh baby our president who's Agradaa be dwane e man sun kwan to so dwane. Na Agradaa be ma omo on Hopeson din and na omo ne Empress Gifty din. E was ya Agradaa abe reply. Agradaa abe reply. Then so Agradaa abe bro so pan is be catch Hopeson Adorye dey say woni. Eli say catch. How you Penyah block media. Me so say ni dey mo. Obe like video no other room. I will subscribe button so be keep notification and latest update. Na be tire wa adwen dey ma me e wo comment se shime so ba so na shire mo no say me bia hwe. It's now a free semi jam fini Agradaa $1 and 7 say no. A page na Hopeson Adorye. Ene Agradaa endless beef for abedo omuntem. Beef we a beef of the centuries. Generational beef e to ntwada because I know woman Agradaa minim yepa. On call battle enusi ba kokrada. Onusi ba kokrada. Hopeson Adorye so ejine mu brane. Also ako beef. Only John kuma mu nyina anje se go ako beef. Onu na name people wetimi go eco beef. Just say also a baby beef also edima kwetino or titles. Now back here na pan Hopeson kwetina TVSYZ e go throw challenge e ma Agradaa. What say?
Video me no bia mam. Fantastic. Mon hwe se so mbetimi abono bi amamia. Na fi men comment on what is happening today regarding Sammy Jemfi. Hwe near air course on one like utimi hu say nipa be jai papa ye especially appointees near esi asabre ya so mu na koka no what dey before say me kwasem no so we ya appointee e wo present government na wo hu Agradaa so wo ben na wo gina ho na wo chia okeke e say mahama pam. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Well, here attention, keke. Sadi no kokoye no. Eye bo apayo. Hey, wa dimatem wa dimi that be decide samimu no. I'm going to dare her. Wa pafi no ekoi. One more Hopeson and one more me Empress Gifty din. Remember that damn wo kroma. Would you me say but to a challenge? So I saw your bapa. One day one more meeting. No ultimatum. Mechinatum. Na me dina kokoto so.
That challenge no. E we say afunu Hopeson Adorye. Agradaa ma na afunu no. Say the Agradaa be say abeke canal kine pa Hopeson Adorye dey we say. You hear video nemla.
We ya appointee e wo present government. Na wo hu Agradaa so wo ben na wo gina ho. Na wo chia okeke e say mahama pam. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Well, here attention, keke. Sadi no kokoye aye bo apayo. Hey, wa dimatem wa dimi that be decide samimu. I'm going to dare her.
Hopeson Adorye, we Jimmy for. Hopeson Adorye, mini one. Hopeson Adorye, oh my check. Hopeson Adorye, we kramai. Hopeson Adorye, we jedenchie. Hopeson Adorye, me nigu wonu pe. Me tagu so. Me di me nasim pabwa. Me di chwenim. Hopeson Adorye, we kwasia. Sa ubo me din. Edi matem. Ewie. Ema me warning. Me timi baby. Na me cow. Na wo bebo me din. Edi matem. Na wa wie abeka kire me say me po di abemi ache me. Hopeson Adorye me ni wonum me anche me. Hopeson Adorye wo ma me che me anche me. Hopeson Adorye wonum kankan me anche me. Hopeson Adorye omotu mu kankan me anche me. Hopeson Adorye wo ya bua me anche me. Hopeson Adorye woni ofi me anche me. Hopeson Adorye wo kwati awuo me anche me. Wo ya bua wo ya kwasia. We get shimifo, we get jedenchie, we your kramai. So when to me a me antime. Na kramai ne di wuma me, e wono, Hopeson Adorye. We get shimifo penny kwasia. Penny Judge, Penny awa mobra, Penny awa nifa wanu, Penny awa chimie, Penny awa didi awa no mon kwine, Penny awa fautin to sumiyaso. Jawa yere kwasiam Penny awa ho, ebe di matem. Ejie, atrate me, semi bolding, obami acheme, Hopeson Adorye, oma me che, mi ancheme. Hopeson Adorye, watadie mu fi mi ancheme. Hopeson Adorye, me ni bini egu wonum mi ancheme. Hopeson Adorye, me jonso gu wonum kata mi ancheme. Kwasiam Penny, papa Penny mu abrabo abiti. Kasa ni yanko na me reply. Kasa ni yanko.
Hopeson and no more Empress Gifty.
My body Hopeson Adorye Jimmy kwasiam Penny dwedwenchie knaman edi ne ma me de wo no na wachimie na woni mu nyansa na wode na no tutu pini mu. Hopeson Adorye wo ya kwasia sa wo ja wo yiri wo fie sama ba wo be threat me same wo be threat me ni wonu pini. Hopeson Adorye be chiri mi kotum. Hopeson Adorye me mau just 24 hours. Some to me baby, na me count. Now I go to TV so. Now we di matem. So went to me and cheme. Na krama in the di umame. Hopeson Adorye, na krama in the di umame. Hopeson Adorye, o support to what it say. Pabu mu kankan. Hopeson Adorye, wonu mu kankan si pini. Hopeson Adorye, kasani anko. To aso.
But you know what the agent did? Agradaa almost stop it. And this is by
Hopeson Adorye, we a Jimmy, o threat me. Send me the $800. I come as a meeting fear. And these boys, and cheme, and booming, fitting and neck. Hopeson Adorye Jimmy focus and Penny, the genchie, a boy shine, I'm more bra. Ah, now one number begging, no didi. One number begging in Rianu, and member, no didi. Hopeson Adorye, I dare you. So one to me, and to me and to me. Me niku wonu pini. Hopeson Adorye. Sa threat no. I would yamame. Say NDC full soldiers and bomeno. If anything happen to me in this country, I will hold you responsible. Okoti ewu kopeduru. Hopeson Adorye was see a pro kochi. Hopeson Adorye who can kind kodare. Hopeson Adorye when you can time. Hopeson Adorye me tauso me newoso amobra satuni dedenchie kwasiam Penny chimi jolly mahamha tosi. Hopeson Adorye, you leave your useless wife to come and threat my life. Hopeson Adorye, I am your last stop. We are poor. We are cramai. We didn't cramai ta fini chemu. We no and cramai ta fini chemu. We didn't bebrebe. One plafo bebrebe and so cut ye woo. Hopeson Adorye, Bema would the one no and the dick share. Hopeson Adorye, Bema wunni ho. Na a bow down. Now would the name social media. Now would the other cramai. Now would the day. Hopeson Adorye, me nigu wenum, me town so, me ne so, me no mama so, me no papa so, Ukraine frefre. Hopeson Adorye, bra, beti mi kotum. Na ye mommy tuo, we ya boa. Hopeson Adorye, we ya boa. Semiti mi baby me mekam. Na samwa ba no bekabi, na wo threat me life. Yanche me mommy. Ah, wo bomi mi di Agradaa. And you get the audacity, you get the confidence. Says a mimi bo dia ba mi ache me. Hopeson Adorye, do you think Ghana is for you? We are useless, we are bagger bigger. Who kankan sa twe. Who ni shono wate. Who ni mrebo wate. We are jejenchie wate. We are chimi for wate. We are primum wawa and primum wawa. Hopeson Adorye, wo ma me share. Bechi mi go to. Am I what you say? Chimney, no. I would Jimmy or my animal. What's with about Miss Wong? Met sound so. Quasia. When you fee, Quasia. Who can kind Hopeson Adorye? Who can kind such tray? Who to also put that two arts at sea. Hopeson Adorye, my boarding, but Jimmy Cotum. A boy, what a bastard. kwasiam penny Hopeson Adorye awo papa ane wo mame ebe wo no krama ine di wo mame e hye ene de wo tin wo chimi sa no Hopeson Adorye he umbuo de wo Hopeson Adorye you don't respect we are boa for one chuchu form one fino out the bomb dino for one chuchu form semi bebe bia wo kame yimi nasem paboa Hopeson Adorye kame yimi paboa na me die chuchu wani so kwasia we yire tutu ni no ono kwa wo respect no we yire shawe ni no ono kwa wo respect no we yire na krama itafini chemu no ediskabro maudi no ono kwa wo respect no Hopeson Adorye me ni wanya until you arrest me I am not going to leave you say me tibi baby na me maudi na wabebo me din abedi matem abetrete me say me pet trend we are boa Hopeson Adorye why the pet trend e chewo e wo kuro yi mu aboa penny jimmy fo penny dodonchie penny kwasia to say Hopeson Adorye why the pet trend e chewo asem emfa wo and our mama che we am come say June July Hopeson Adorye wo balok what wo balok what wo fi wo nye nyai Hopeson Adorye wo nu mu kankan Hopeson Adorye hey when me say na oba Hopeson Adorye me say me I will teach you a lesson. I will force you to respect. I will make you keep quiet. Me Sammy Timmy baby. You think you can use a police to threaten me? So to me back on say threaten me. Say NDC full soldiers moment. You meet me at the courts. You have threatened my life. We are kwasia. Wa pampa mu atutuo. Wo ho kro. Hopeson Adorye wa chi kro. Wa no atotoro. Wa no su e bai se mo che. Hopeson Adorye wo kam se kraman. Wo kam se kraman. Me ni wonu mu pini. Me juso ku wonu mu. Me tagu wonu mu. Hopeson Adorye na me be chia wo ka. Wo be bre. Eti na hia no. Eti na hia wo. Ade wo yiri kodi ni twem. And on their brow, a boa, quasia, chimifo, judge, hi, now bear more damage, wafano, unantemu a property of Sadoye, unantemu a proper, when you feasting gem, when you feasting and jetum of Sadoye, when you feasting braco boom of Sadoye, mini one pini, we are quasia. I am giving you 24 hours. If you did not arrest me, mercy who, kramaiba, abua, do one kabani, when I
hey, hopeless, blah, Ramekanya Sasamcho. What's it? Okasa a man who jaw who jaw yere, a showing you at home. Hopeless. I do my name for me, Agradaa. I am out of it. Check me out. Hopeless. Just check me out. Check me. Menko trimafu. Menko yemtu. Penny kwasiya. Penny jimifu. Uye jujwenchiye. Uye funu. Uye diabi hu merewate. Unimu nyansa. Uda unasu yaswa. Shemanim, check my face. Hopeless, check my face. Menye toy, te sa wo yire no. Wate? Menko tu me hwene. Te sa wo yire no. Wate? Wo yire na ne hwe. Adane asofo bi ni mo ba ajowa. Mr. Foolish Fool. Me say, wo yire no. Ane che adane Ghana asofo bi ene abrochire asofo bi ba adwowa na yedidim e maneka na wo kwase ato chimifo to sawo Mr. Fool like you awo kotin adwuma na dano wo dam na wo de na radio station TV station, to another TV station. Papa, let me tell you, within the Agradaa, I am blessed. I am beautiful. I am natural woman. I am a woman of substance. So Jimmy and the two of my gun. Na yent mean kawasam. Come for me to put sense into your head. Oh Jimmy Toto. What's ya kwa? Bekami ain't ya. Or power me bomidin. Or me bomidin. Mechina to Unimunyansa. We are Cosium penny. Hopeless fool. Wanu kankan said your only for one. Oba prema ni be to send me. What did be that? Oba yansani to send me. When you be at the wachida. Oba could drew for to send me. Mr. Foolish fool. When you be at the wachida. Hey, Papa. So woman will boost you more. And can you say what say about saying no why you useless politician? What done the politician who cram my address? I am putting it to you. I have starts with you. And don't start what you can't finish. And maybe I would do a more anywhere from I would see so be pia woman or be bomb wash from Sanaya me na me TV no so and now yes I won't last summer and the chilemia come shoe when you so I'm a one say would shimmy and now would shimmy I will hear quasiano sono what the bammy Agradaa am so and yen shawa check me out hopeless man check me out hopeless fool check me out. No silicone. No surgery. 5 children. Me won't fetch her wo yere. My bobra chair was yere. I am a woman of substance. Me grace. I can see it. And don't see the honorable Semijan fee. Or she am no or chairman dollars. And more bit is a woo. I will po wo. So it's me ka. When no more singing out to 2. One I would do with Jimmy hopeless. And you've been me. One I would do with Kikamu a Quamosono. Hopeless. And you've been me. They catch it out. Scissors. So what Shiria? Penyah Bessie. Now what Jimmy war mine. Now maybe Agradaa the old bummer feature. Make you show when this tsunami the nyansa. I show with him on Quasia Samono. I won't nam Ghana radio station. I didn't penny when we are from. Now we'll be able to make Kanjara. Wayere Chobi a shawini. Ah, software didn't check. Hey, what did he do? Ebema meme warning. If you are a man. What would be a good so? If you are a man, 1-3-3-5-5-186. If you are a man, just mention my name. Just come out and mention my name, Agradaa. A-G-R-A. And for Danos also, but Agradaa, I have started with you, and I'm telling you. Don't start what you can't finish. Wonu kankan se de woni fa wonu. Be ma fi ododwantwie paninkwasea. Awa mobra. Na woni mu nyansa. Na what social media so. E de adefo e ma premafo. A bobra. Chen yiri tu ni. Uja wo yiri oprega. Wobana nkramai e botena na che. Wobana Ghana sofo. E di ni che wajisika. Abeto aduane ma wo useless fool. Edi. Ujado, nothing, and coffee no more. A prima for any mother, Papa. I'm telling you, look at me. Meno wa shasiye na menu bejiye. Uchimi. Shienyansa. Uya kame ma oka ho. Be ma wo boda brijo. Be ma dwana wo tenten time. Be ma wo da wo tun koromo. Be ma wo ho me fa wutru. Hopeless fool like you. Wafani Agradaa. Mini wonu bini for you to sit on the radio to threat me. We are kwasi and penny. Papa, come out and respond and let's start. If it's a mabowa to ho ache. What the Ghana ma and you might form ache. Where do you want ache? You have been fooling yourself in this country so many times and you don't get anybody to tell you you are fooling. I am here to tell you you are fooling. And stop fooling. Me bet you trouble any so. Me the West opposition. What's the aqua? Chemi for. What's so Ghana Music Award? Shem crash for time. I will say. So we didn't even answer. And then yet I show any true and on him boy. Kawan pam some crash for time and fancy. You get them off. You get the gas to speak Agradaa matter. All because Samejevi has dashed him money. And can you want to obey when ya was ya? We are home say June, July. Hopeless fool like you. Unai daba. Kwasi Penyah would share now who ba na wuta tre abua. Ukoti ewu. Oshua memo call ye mwati hopeless. Kwasiya. Wanu suo wanu ho atotro wani mu fi. Meni wanu mu bini. So ba threat me. Say ya chemisika. O ma me che. Brabonting. Let's meet. And the radio station you want us to meet. Let's meet. I mean Fenyansa and shower dream. I will put sense into your head. Uye bema bomidi. I will arrest you and put you to your position. Unai with me. Okane nye frefre. Turu wan kabeni. Shegia palawo. Papa hopeless. As someone ba obi e can be. You have the right so better watching. But don't try to threat me. Mr. Hopeless, aka Metal Wheelchair. Papa, we a coward. Who be threaten me? Send me body. Na me body. You will arrest me and take me to court. Papa, so we a bear man was who was sure. Now what boss? Bomidi Agradaa. I will arrest you and take you to court and prosecute you and put you into your level. Who dares you? How dares you? Asama bawo chirawa jay will be a chena jay. You get the capacity to leave your wife over there and come and disrespect me. So so we a bema bomidi. The law is not for anybody. The law is there for everybody. So if you are a man and you are not a coward, as you were sitting there refusing to mention my name, Mr. Hopeless, aka Wheelchair, I will put you into your position. You have been tried several times to disrespect me. By this time around, if you are a man with balls, if you are a man as you are sitting on the radio trying to bring
my credibility down, mention my name, Midin at the Agradaa, I will arrest you. You have thrown the challenge, and I am here to throw the same challenge to you. So you bema ashwa a boto, and you have gone to radio station, Sawoko Kamasem, and you are putting warning. Some of your ba mimo wiridi na mimo din. I was expecting you, if you are not a coward, you will mention my name. Mention my name for me to know you are talking about me, Agradaa. I will put you into your position. I will put you into your level. You are nobody in front of me. Let me tell you, respect yourself. You can't bring your nonsense in front of me. I have not come to your level. You have been disrespecting me over years, over time, insulting me, radio station to another radio station. But this time around, if my matter has come and you are trying, say you share your opinion, don't come and threaten me. Bekami entia wo bomi yiridin na wo bomi dia mechinatum. Papa, I am putting it to you. If you are a man, Bomidin, I will arrest you. I will prosecute you. I will put you into your position. You are fooling too much in this country. If you are a man, come out and mention my name for me to start with you.
So what's in someone? Agradaa beka. What you hope to anya bema or no? Or your bema sinner. It will bring dead dinner. Temonso bema or money dinner. Never bema was as you. Tirajo mame ewo conversation. Hi Penyah Blog Media.